Bienvenidos! ¿Están listos para cantar y divertirse? See, it is time to celebrate the Spanish language. Did you guys see my shirt? Viva España? Oh yeah, it is time. We're gonna be celebrating with some songs, some questions, and some very special shoutouts, so pay attention to that. So let's talk about your concert interview experience. Let's do a little walkthrough. All of you received the concert package, which outlines what we have planned. Normally, I'd be coming to you and we'd be doing a sold-out show in a theater or arena. And those shows are great. I mean, I love it when you guys are singing really loud and you got the cool signs, and I love the lights, the stage, and the dance routines that you do. But let me tell you something. You are the stars of this event. You are the ones that vote on what songs I'm gonna perform and what questions you're gonna fire my way. To prepare for this event, you were given the chance to vote on what songs you want to hear me sing live right here in my studio. But the interview part, that's my favorite. You were given a list of questions that you could choose from. But a cool add-on is while you're watching me answer your questions, you can actually play the role of reporter and track down the answers that I give. And you can use those answers with some project options that you can complete later for your teachers. Now, this event is uploaded to YouTube, as you can see, right? So parents, teachers, students, take advantage of this, use those YouTube comment sections, and let's actually stay in touch. There'll be different times in the show you might wanna tell me if there's a song that you liked, or maybe you have more questions so we can practice our Spanish together throughout the school year, because this link will be available for you all school year long. Or you could just drop a big hola in the comments section and let me know, like I said, what song you liked, or just drop anything. A comment, doesn't matter what it is. And myself or a member of the Rock Your Class team will absolutely respond to you. You will get shouted out. Yeah.